To replace a fuel gauge on a Searwood Pellet Grill, you'll need a new fuel gauge, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a Torx head screwdriver. Unplug the grill and wait until the grill is fully cool. Locate the Easy Access maintenance panel on the front of the hopper and remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the maintenance panel. Pinch and pull the quick disconnect plug to disconnect the fuel gauge from the grill. Unclip the fuel gauge wire from the clip inside the maintenance panel. Next, you'll need to disconnect the probe hub from the fuel gauge wire. Gently pull the probe hub out of the front of the hopper using your hands. Do not use a tool to remove. Pinch and pull the quick disconnect plug to disconnect and remove the probe hub. Push the wire back into the grill. You will now need to remove the fuel gauge. Open the hopper lid and remove the hopper safety guard screws using a Torx screwdriver. Unscrew the fuel gauge screws. Remove the fuel gauge from the grill with hands. Do not use a tool to remove. Now you can install the new fuel gauge. Start by feeding the new fuel gauge wire into the hopper. Place the new fuel gauge into the hopper. Be sure the fuel gauge lens is facing into the hopper. Press firmly to stick the fuel gauge to the grill. Be sure to remove the fuel gauge sticker backing before adhering. Return the fuel gauge screws. Return the hopper safety guard and screw in place. Thread the shorter fuel gauge wire through the probe hub opening. Connect and replace the probe hub back into the hopper. Clip the longer fuel gauge wire back in the wire clip and reconnect to the grill. Put the maintenance panel back and secure the screws. Then, plug the grill in and get cooking. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.